Avalanche Computing, the hyperscale computing technology for the AI industry. AI experts spend a lot of time preparing the environment. It spends more than 56% of the total project cost. After preparation, they need to spend more time on the model. For scaling, it spent more than 3 months to deploy a model. Avalanche Computing provides a hyperscale AI framework. It automatically scale up your AI development on multiple GPUs. We support the medical and manufacturing industries and high scalability. AI experts can focus on model design and without change any code. Contact us about saving the time and cost of your AI project.